Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to make an e-commerce website on Google Sites. Stick around till the end to discover step-by-step instructions for setting up your online store. Let us get started. Begin by launching Google Chrome on your device. Once Google Chrome is open, use the search bar to look for Google Sites and hit enter. We'll click on the first link that appears in the search results to navigate to the Google Sites homepage. On the Google Sites homepage, you will find various templates suitable for different types of work. For example, let us choose the salon template. Now, as you can see, the chosen template will be displayed. This will serve as the foundation for your website. With the template selected, let us focus on the Pages section of the website builder. Within the Pages section, you will notice several sections where you can start working. For instance, there is a Home section, Services section, About section, Testimonial section, and Contact section. Let us say you are interested in showcasing your services. Under the Services section, you will find a list of services offered. For example, hairstyling could be one of the services. You can add the pricing details for each service. Next, there is the About section, which provides information about your salon or business. Additionally, there is a Testimonial section where customers' feedback can be displayed. Lastly, there is a Contact section, but if your focus is solely on selling products, you may choose to delete this section. To remove unnecessary pages like contacts and testimonials, simply click on the respective sections. Locate the delete option and remove them from your website. Now let us focus on customizing the remaining sections. For example, in the Services section, you can rename it to Products by clicking on the three dots and selecting Rename. Similarly, you can modify other sections like About To, About Us, to provide more information about your brand. With the basic structure of your website setup, you can start customizing each section to align with your brand and offerings. Let us start with the home part, and this is where I want to make things special. For example, I will write down Yokos, which is the name of my brand. Then I want to talk about providing the best services and styles. Lastly, I will add the phrase, "You ask, you get." If you want to change the background of your website, you can upload your image or choose from a selection of images provided. You can also search for images on Google directly from the website editor. Select an image that fits the theme of your website like school bags or makeup products. Additionally, you can add text and delete any unnecessary elements to tailor this section according to your preferences. Moving on to the Product section, you can showcase your services using relevant images and descriptions. Similarly, you can customize this section by adding product names, descriptions, and prices. To enable online payments, you can integrate a payment gateway like Stripe. Open Stripe in your browser and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the product catalog and click on Add Product. Enter the name of your product and description, upload an image, set the price, and click on Add Product. You can further customize the product details or add multiple pricing options as needed. When your product's added, your website is now ready to showcase and tell your offerings to potential customers. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.